Audible inside the dark room, echoing with the raspy voice of Kim Namjoon, who is currently on phone sitting while crossing his legs dominantly on black leather ornate couch. The import has been taken and it was appreciating Mr. Kim. He hung up the call before he placed the phone on glass table, which caused a low noise inside. Soon the hall became more intense when the heavy door creaks as it opens, revealing the deliberate men clad in expensive suits which distinguished their masculine figures in a precise manner. They stepped in the dark hall. They walked towards the couch to take their place before the other man who was already present. Their eyes met with Namjoon's fierce as always, their expressions grim, holding authority of the surroundings. Mr. Lee received the drugs while ago, so we can adjust with the cost now. He placed before pounding the liquid in wine glass, stately maintaining his straight posture against the couch. And remaining drugs would be just on way to deliver to Tokyo by V and Suga. He take the glass before clashing with Namjoon's and Jungkook's as they take the burning through their throats. Black cars are getting fogged under the dim lights of empty road. Well, it's good that no one is there for own sake as there stands Jung Ho-sok, who does not spare disturbance. Let me give you last chance to escape from me. If you disappear from my sight in 10 seconds, I'll spare you and make sure you don't cause any noise or I'll burst your head from bullets. Before he looked at his own bleeding leg, knowing well there's no way back, still tried to press his lips tightly to not wail, but his bad that he can't run from shooted leg just in seconds. He was so clean with his black Mercedes, rubbing the gun against his own forehead, mischievously aware that his gun will be tested surely on the man today, and that's when his ears blessed by groan of men. Smirk plastered on his face as he turned his heels towards the men again, holding the gun pointing on men. "Your bad luck, Jamin," he lastly said before pulling the trigger, ripping through the skin of Jamin's. With a third on road covered in red all over, making Hosok sign before taking steps towards the vehicle so as he settled inside, placing his gun on the passenger seat calmly. Area stands a tall figure of Kim Sok-jin looking at fine expensive rifles one after another. His hands moved to fill the magazine before he held one against his broad shoulder. His swaying hands gripped on the hold and fingers rest on trigger, eyes focusing on the front blackboard, his low breath mingling with the dead silence inside the spacing room before gutted by loud shoot. Pulled by the fire as the bullet goes through the hardboard from the center directly, which is another sign of his experience skills from years of work. He placed the weapon on table. The silence once again replaced from noise of another gun as he tested each one which imported yesterday. Soon he got done by the testings before he take his steps towards the huge door, eyeing at all things lastly. Seokjin walked in a dominant manner to leave the place again in emptiness of dark walls. Japan city of Tokyo. Luxurious vehicles stopped in front of huge bar. The doors opened one by one, revealing two stoic tall males as they stepped down from the cars wearing full expensive attires fitting perfectly on their muscular bodies. Both stood tall and imposing, their straight faces display the sternness and authority they hold from power. Their shapes moved ahead towards the door where already a man in black suit stands for their welcome. So as the man forward his hand towards them to shake, which they accept and shake calmly with grim faces. As the man opened the door for them, who nodded before stepping inside mischievously. Boss is looking your way already. V and Suga nodded before leaving the sight of men's. The huge luxurious bar lighted by dim glow of warm lamps, the environment is calm and relaxed by the low rhythmic sound of piano, and soon it includes noise of heavy shoes against the hard floor before stopped near the bar. Nice to see you two here. Take your respective seats. Suga and V give a slight nod, taking their place in front of Mr. Han, whose men come forward them by Mr. Han's signal. The men stood near bar before placing alcohol in front of them when Mr. Han poured drinks, eyeing Suga and V and forward near them, as well as himself, and clashed the glasses together, gulping down the liquid. It was nice to work with Phantoms. I received my all products safely. That was fabulous. Here's the money of yours, he said when his men placed huge bags on table, opening them to brownie males. Who glanced at them filled with wants before zipping them, placing near their legs as they stood up before shaking hands with Mr. Han, who stood up as well. This inside mansion, Namjoon is standing in front of a huge glass window looking through the transparent wall towards the view of city, gripping cigarette between his fingers, firmly exhaling dark smoke in air. Soon his nerves ease in when the door creaks open as the sound of his beloved daughter blessed his tired ears as she ran towards Namjoon with her small steps, holding a small teddy bear in her arms. Namjoon turned around before he crushed the cigarettes in glass jar which already contains few. Dada, I played a lot today and had so much fun. She smiled before opening her arms to Namjoon. In his heavy arms, who wrapped her arm around the neck of Namjoon's before telling her all day's activities as he sat on couch with Yura on his lap. Dada, Genie uncle bought so much new toys for me. He is so good, I played with all. Yura smiled, showing her dimples. Well, in whole day, this is the only moment for Namjoon to feel peace seeing her. She stayed still and Namjoon heard her until he did not hear her, so he looked down a little only to see small Yura sleeping soundlessly in his arms, snuggling for warmth of her dadas. At late night, in front of counter inside the mansion sits Jimin and Jungkook calmly, while near them stands Seokjin holding cocktails in his hand, pouring in glasses which contain ice cubes. Here are our drinks, he extended to both males who grinned at him as well as he before he himself also take his seat near them, continued to drink peacefully. When they heard slow footsteps near only to see Seoseok who take the seat near counter before he placed his gun on the marble counter before he leaned with the chair, sliding his hairs backwards. I'll take some rest now, he said before standing up, walking off from the area, so as Hoseok eyed him with grim face, in verse Jimin and Jungkook sign at their usual behaviors.